When I made a decision, I was excited. I could see that this was going to change my life if I was coachable and consistent, right? So for me, it was I didn't have to create a digital product and test it in the market. For me, it was a $600 payout. I was intrigued by that because it followed a 2-hour workday. You guys, I was blown away. So if you can follow a process to just a 2-hour workday to make $600 a day, that gave me more time with my 2 teenagers, with my loved ones. I love that it was all automated. That's where my freedom comes in, because I thought if I could just learn how to have an automated business and it's out there working for me, this is amazing. I didn't have to go find customers, and it's rejection free because it's all fully automated. So it gives my potential customer the ability to make a decision on their own time if this is a good fit for them. I did